Space Network. My name's Abby Backman, and today I'm going to go over life essentials and where to find them. We have this list that'll help us on the way. First, we have water, because water is a solvent that can dissolve lots of minerals, and it is also one of the few materials that can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas in a small amount of temperature. We also need temperature for water to be a liquid form because the reactions that keep life going need a fluid in order to work. We need sunlight or energy needed to start and fuel chemical reactions, also known as metabolism. We need the chemical building blocks like nitrogen to make DNA. We need carbon or silicone because we know there's carbon-based life, but scientists think that there could be silicone-based life. We need an environment that's not hostile to life, example, radiation or bad atmospheres. We need a diverse group of chemicals denser than hydrogen and helium because it allows for more complicated chemical reactions necessary for life. You want a friendly star and a good part of the universe. Example, Sirius would not be a good star because it will blow up in about a few million years. You also don't want your sun to swell up to a red giant like our sun will in a few billion years. And a planet like Jupiter to keep all the comets from crashing into us. First, let's look at Mercury. It has matter that's denser than hydrogen and helium, and it has energy. It has a friendly star and a big planet like Jupiter, but it has too much radiation because it's so close to the sun, and it has no water. Venus has matter that's denser than hydrogen and helium, and it has energy. It also has a friendly star and a big planet like Jupiter, and nitrogen, but it does not have water. Earth. Well, if Earth didn't have the things needed to create life, we wouldn't be here. Mars is one of the most likely of all the planets. It has matter that's denser than hydrogen and helium, it has energy, and it also has a friendly star and a big planet like Jupiter. It has nitrogen and not much radiation. It actually has water, but it does not have water in liquid form, so therefore, we think that Mars does not have life. Jupiter is the big planet that keeps all the meteors away. But stop right there. Jupiter has so much gravity that you would just get sucked into it and flatten like a pancake. Saturn has matter that's denser than hydrogen and helium. It also has a friendly star and a big planet like Jupiter. It has energy, but very little. It has water, but not in liquid form, so that's why Saturn does not have life. Uranus is too cold for life because it's so far away from the sun and not in the habitable zone. Neptune, well, if Uranus is too cold, then what is Neptune? Shout it out! Exactly! Too cold. This is all the planets, and as you see, none of them except Earth can create and sustain life. But hold on! There might be two places where there could be life. Titan and Enceladus. They get their energy from being squished by Saturn and Jupiter, and they have liquid water. Thank you for listening to Space Network. This is Abby Backman reporting. Want to beam up?